give you my heart.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.
Welcome. It's Diablo666 with a new type of video, and we're going to be taking a look into different type of tech. The first thing we're going to start off with is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. It's a wired one. Hold on, can we zoom in on this? Yes, we can. Perfect. So it says plug-in power, battery-free design, and we're just going to be doing a unboxing video for you guys. Okay, let me know what you think of this type of new video. Is it something that you're interested in? Would you like to see more of this type of videos? What type of products would you like to see us buying and unveiling, unboxing, and going through together with it? Let's open this up and take a look. So I've already opened this up once before, but I thought it would be a good idea to capture it and show you lot as well, just in case you're interested in buying this product and you're wondering how it's going to look. Is it for you or not? So let's open this up. Give you a ton of booklets, it seems, in loads of different languages, helpline, support numbers, stuff like that. For now, let's put that all aside. What is this? Okay, it's telling you about once you've installed it. Let's put that aside as well. What else is in here? Oh, nice, lovely. Okay, so you got these, I'm guessing they are stickers you could put on your windows to let people know that you have Ring security support, which is really good as well, to deter anyone that's trying to pry around your property or see what's going on. And that seems to be that. Okay, so let's get this opened. So we open this up. This is how it looks. Let's just zoom in on here if we can. Perfect. Let's take this out, and obviously you got these down here as well. Let's start off with these actually. So it seems like what they've done is send you a wired, I'm guessing this is a plug. Let's see if we can get that out. These are going to probably go at the back of the Doorbell Ring Pro, and it's going to be a wired connection, which we're going to have to hide and go into the nearest socket, which is pretty good. This is not the wireless version. This is the wired one. So let's see what this says. Install kit. It's the install tools. Let's open up and see what they've got us. Let's move all of this out of their way. Move. We want to see, oh, European plug. Whoa, what is this piece of tech? Screwdriver. Oh, here we go. That's my country's type of plug over here. They've sent us pretty much everything. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at it one by one. So they've sent us a drill head, it seems, because they know we're going to need it. The correct size and stuff. I don't know if you can see it over there or not. Lovely little screwdriver by Ring. Really appreciate that. Clutch. Let me know what you think of the video quality as well, guys. Today I'm filming on one of my overhead cameras, which is the made by Google as well, actually, the Pixel 5. They've sent us this as well. It seems to come out, and you've got two different type of heads. Let's see if we can zoom in. Yeah, perfect. So that just essentially goes into there, sockets in, and there we go. Clicks in, and you get it nice and sturdy. Very good tool. They didn't have to send this, so it's a good little extras. They've sent you everything you need, the Lord plugs, the screws and everything. They've sent you the extra wires, which I'm guessing it's all going to be in the guide. I don't really like going through the guide books, but for something like this, I'm definitely going to have to refer back to one of these guides. But yeah, you can see this as well. And let's read this together. What is this, dude? The bypass kit. Okay. Bypass mode. That's how it looks at the back. With these two holes here. Let's get a good focus on there. It says, remove the two wires from your doorbell chime, then firmly insert them into the holes on this device. These two holes. So I'm guessing it's going to be these, right? We'll figure it out. But that's the doorbell bypass kit they've sent to us as well. Fantastic. This is the one we're going to need. So this would essentially just slot into here. Obviously, we all know how to do that with all our mobile chargers and stuff like that. So nothing too difficult over here. That way in particular, actually. Looks really nice. Got the lovely Ring logo as well. Should be very, very easy to install. Let me know what you think of the wired connection in comparison to the Wi-Fi. If you had experience in that, is that something that you enjoy or not? And let's move on to the final part, the actual beast itself. This is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Let's get it out of here. Oh, it's got a nice bit of weight to it. Not bad at all. So it says over here, after wiring your device, it may take a few moments to power on. It's got the two terminals here. Only connect terminals to wiring from the doorbell with a voltage of 16 to 24. Just want to check on this. Input, the output is 24 on this one. Yeah. So nothing less than 16 they're telling you, but obviously go with the approved stuff they've sent you. Don't be trying to make it not work. So this is the silver casing it comes with. It looks like they send you a couple cases. Oh, nice. Very good indeed. Let's clear all of this rubbish out of the way, please. Thank you. Let's bring you right here, Mr. Ring. Got the black cover, sort of the creamish type cover as well. And a dark brown cover as well, all with the Ring as well. So essentially you would take that off and insert this one, or whichever one you want. I think that's a nice cool touch that they've also implemented into the package as well. Very, very good. Let me know what you think of this product, guys. Let me know also what you think of this type of video. Is this something that you're interested in or not? I will be doing a whole series on gadgets and products like this. Yeah, so smash the like button, subscribe, stay tuned, hit the notification bell. We're going to be in with loads of different reviews and products. Very, very good indeed. This is the packaging again. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro. I will put screenshots will appear in the video, or overlay or something like that. I will implement it. Like I said, this is going to be the first video of the series, but we will figure out a nice little niche way to basically show you screenshots of the pricing, where you can get it from. We'll leave a link in the description as well, where you can purchase it from, where it's the best type of pricing as well. Okay, so just to help you lot out. All the information and specs are here as well, just letting you lot see as I've been waffling on. And this one is a 1080p HD video as well, so very good quality. Plug-in power, two-way talk system, plug-in power, real-time notifications, and video and photo history. Now, I'll do a series actually. I've just figured out what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a series of videos all on the Ring product and the products surrounding around it, and what you can implement to basically make the most of a modern, smart type of home. Okay, that's the series we're going to do. We've just decided all together. Smash the like button. That's what we're going to do. There's a lot you can do with these new products and how you can sync them all up. For example, this has given me the idea here. So working with Alexa. Okay, so that's what's inspired this. We're going to do that type of series. Smash the like button. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you next time.